It's a prop, it's an empty cup. What am I doing? What's up you guys, I'm Travis, this is Shop Nation. And if you didn't see, we as a channel passed 100,000 subscribers. That number is crazy to think about. To put that in perspective, that is like one entire Neyland football stadium, go Vols, filled to almost capacity. That represents one of the biggest football stadiums here in the US. Or you could take the Staples Center in LA, where the Lakers play, and you could fill 5 of them. Or, maybe my favorite analogy, is you could take the largest airliner in the world, the Airbus A380-800, and line up 125 of those. What? That's a lot of people. Now, subscriber count doesn't really mean much at the end of the day, but it's just kind of fun to think about that number. When I started almost 3 years ago, looking like an idiot in a backwards hat, 100,000 subscribers felt like the other side of the universe. It felt untouchable. I can remember specifically when I had 9 subscribers, 9, and I knew 5 of them. And I was so psyched that there were 4 people out there who I didn't know who wanted to come along the ride. Crazy times. It's interesting to look back at the state of life I was in when I started the channel, what my shop looked like when I started, and really my decision to even do it. I know there's a lot of people out there who are doing the exact same thing as me, building out a shop, trying to get better, improving their skill set. You're just not filming it because you're smarter than me. So now would be about the time that I would show you my nice shiny new silver play button from YouTube, but I don't have it yet and I didn't want to wait. But to celebrate this milestone, and frankly the only reason you're watching this video, is because I want to give some stuff away. Now, I announced a 2-part giveaway in the last Shop Talk video where I asked you to nominate someone who you felt was struggling or going through a rough patch. Many of you answered the call and I received a lot of entries. What I didn't account for was how heavy that would be for me to read. It's safe to say times are tough out there. Now, I really wish I could help each and every one of the entries, but I had to narrow it down to 1 for the giveaway. I did, however, get 5 entries about police officers. That honestly struck a chord with me. The unfortunate reality, here in the US at least, is that if you're in the police force, you must now answer for the mistakes of a few, and it sucks. In a profession where you're largely already taken for granted, you now have to deal with civil unrest and animosity. Now, without making this about politics at all, at the end of the day, these are people that make sacrifices to keep you and I safe. So I wanted to make sure I did at least something for them, albeit a small gesture. So I reached out to my friends at Millspin, who I've talked about on the channel before. Really awesome, veteran-owned company. All the products are made here in the US. And they jumped at the opportunity to help. Now, for each of the 5 police officers who were nominated for the giveaway, we're gonna send you some Millspin products, including some really cool customized wall art to commemorate you and your sacrifice. Now, it's not much, but hopefully it's something and it helps you recognize that, hey, the majority out there do appreciate you, and we thank you. All right, so now for the grand prize winner of the nomination giveaway. I'm not gonna say their name. Yeah, pretty anticlimactic. But since these submissions were anonymous, and I don't think people necessarily want others to know maybe that they're having a tough time, I'm gonna leave it up to them. If they wanna share, by all means, go for it. I'm not gonna put their name out there. I will say that the individual that was picked at random sounds extremely deserving and is bending over backwards in a really tough time to go above and beyond to help their family. So I'm gonna send some Shop Nation swag, a Rockler gift card, and a bunch of other goodies as well. Again, it's probably not life-changing, but I hope it helps. Okay, so the next part of the giveaway is open to all of you. Now, when I say everyone, I actually only mean Shop Nationers here in the US. I hate to do that. I know there's people that watch from around the world, but in order to keep things simple and to keep the cost reasonable, I mean, I got a kid going to college in 17 years. I'm forced to have to limit it to the US. So in order to enter, you must be a subscriber on the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, go download it. I'm gonna make a post on Instagram announcing the giveaway, and you must then comment on that post and tag 1 friend in that comment. That's it. Now, the exact prize package will be announced on Instagram very soon, so keep an eye out for that. Now, whether you're selected as a winner or not, I would challenge all of you to reach out to your circle, your friends and family, and see who needs help. Remember that most won't ever say anything, and they're certainly not going to ask for it. It's safe to say that we're in very strange times, and the anxiety level for most people is at an all-time high. Kindness is free, and the world needs as much of it as we can possibly spare. All right, that's all I have, guys. I want to say thank you again for the continued support, encouragement, and even harassment. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. One of the best things about having Shop Nation is seeing all of you out there improve your shop, elevate your situation, and improve your skill set. Now, I can say all kinds of corny things about how we're in this together or we're all on the same path, but I'm proud, more than anything, of the community that we built. So get out there, help some people, and make some stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next project, and as always, continue to pursue that sweet, sweet shop greatness.